Intention and Sincerity 3. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3267, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the one who contradicts their own advice when commanding good and forbidding evil will be punished in hell. Instead of following in the footsteps of the righteous predecessors by advising only for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, many people advise for other reasons, such as to gain popularity. For example, some scholars often strive to be in the spotlight of gatherings and events, and are not pleased with a seat which is to one side, as they desire a central seat. When their intention became like this, Allah, the Exalted, removed the positive effect of their advice, and thus they now have little positive influence over their listeners. They should have shown a practical example, instead of saying one thing and doing another. This caused their advice to become ineffective. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 44.
Do you order righteousness of the people, and forget yourselves while you recite the scripture? Then will you not reason?
Muslims should strive to always act on their own advice before commanding others to do so, as behaving in this manner is hated by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 61 As-Saf, verse 3.
Greatly hateful in the sight of Allah is that you say what you do not do.
This does not mean one must become perfect before advising others, as this is not possible. Instead, they should correct their intention and prove this through their actions by striving to act on their own advice before advising others. Only with this attitude will they avoid the punishment mentioned in this narration. The failure in acting on this principle has caused the advice of Muslims to become ineffective, even though the number of advisors has dramatically increased over the years.